On 16th of November, West Karbi Anglong District Press Club, in collaboration with Office of the District Information and Public Relations Officer, DPRO, observed 56th National Press Day at Singrong Memorial Park, Tumpreng, West Karbi Anglong. With the theme Role of Media in Nation Building, West Karbi Anglong District Press Club and Office of the District Information and Public Relations Officer, DPRO, jointly observed National Press Day on 16th of November. The observation was commemorated by hoisting the official flag of the District Press Club by Daniel Inghi, President of West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. The observation of National Press Day was chaired by Daniel Inghi, President of West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, attended as the chief guest of the event. Senior journalists and all the correspondents from West Karbi Anglong attended the event and praised the occasion. On the occasion of National Press Day, mementos were awarded through the hands of Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, to the senior journalists to acknowledge and honor their dedication and fortitude to unbiased and truthful reporting. The journalists who were honored during the celebration were Rongbong Terang, Mohan Teron, Hemari Rongkhar, Joysing Terang and Nondo Bodoloy. Journalists present at the event exchanged their views and shared their experience they had encountered while doing a ground zero reporting. On this occasion, memorandum was submitted to Krishna Barua, DC by the West Karbi Anglong District Press Club. Krishna Barua, DC of West Karbi Anglong, while addressing her speech, spoke about the role of media in nation building. She also assured to implement all the points mentioned at the memorandum very soon in the days to come.
It comes out in the channels and in the newspapers and in the print media. So that is my honest request, and always be truthful to the society, to our community, and best wishes.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamugam for Karbi Anglong Live.